done? All right, buddy, get up. Look at him. He says, I'm okay down here.
Traumatized.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got some big old claws, doesn't he?
They're not very sharp. It's from the hay bales that I guess going in here. We'll have to make sure we tell them to cut the stuff off.
I think we ought to give them some fresh water. I think we're traumatized.
No, it'll be all right.
I don't think the water's on up here.
You don't.
Do we need to call Virginia and ask her if we can do something for her here?
That's funny. He's just so traumatized now.
Come on, buddy, get up. Maybe he needs a little boost.
Just leave him be.
Yeah.
Look at Brian over here. Just get, baby. Get.